Today is Challenge You Will Guessing Delicious Drink and Food by the Emojis. There are 50 fast-paced puzzles and you have just 10 seconds each. So stay sure and stay hungry. Smash the subscribe button and let's begin. Time to get started. Can you guess this food? It's French fries. First point for you. What drink do the easy emoji represent? Lemonade, you guess it right. Think you can figure it out? Yes, a donut. Can you figure out what drink it is? It's yummy watermelon drink. Take a guess what that food. Nice work, it's onion rings. What could it be? Chocolate milk, of course. Here is another food for you. It's a brownie, rich and yummy. These emoji means Bravo Domino's Pizza. Keep on going, you wanna rock. It's hot wings. I bet you got this drink. That is Monster Energy, no doubt. Can you name this dish? Hot dog awesome, delicious. What drink do these emojis stand for? It's a grimace shake. Can you guess the food? Cheeseburger. Take a look what drink inside these emojis. Awesome, it's iced tea. Can you figure out this drink? The correct answer is Gatorade. How about this food? A warm cinnamon classic apple pie. You nailed it. 2 emojis, 1 food. What's your guess? absolutely a Swiss roll. How about this drink? Orange juice. Exactly this is ice cream sundae. Which food matches these best emojis? It's a pancake. Have you looked in your final answer? It's a mango milkshake perfect for the summer day. Guess it, what food is there? Nice job. It's popcorn. Can you recognize this drink? Red Bull. Spot on, it's Pepsi. What dish that you see here? That is cheesesteak. What you think this food is? Yeah, fish soup. Think about it from the moment, what's the answer? Well done, it's macaroni and cheese. Can you guess this drink? Coca-Cola. Do you know this food? You got it. Ice cream. You are on fire. Keep it up. Lipton. Once guessed this food. This food is caviar. Can you say the name of this drink right away? Mountain Dew. What about this one? Well done, Mirinda. Be careful on this one. What do you think of this food? It's hash browns perfect for breakfast. Guess this yummy dish. It's yogurt. What do these emojis stand for? Fantastic, sun-kissed. Do you know of this dish? Right on, it's sushi, a bite-sized masterpiece. Can you guess this one? A banana split. Let's drink to your mind. Nescafe. It's correct. What food do you think this is? Lemon mousse. Keep on going. Pork ribs, so yummy. Any guesses? Pepper. Keep it rolling. What food do you think this is? Hooray, fish and chips. What about this drink? It's a coconut milk, sweet and spreadable goodness. Round 44. Take your time. Fruit punch. Think carefully, what is this food? Potato chips. Which food is depicted by this emoji? Can you figure out this drink? Excellent. This is called Voss water. Can you guess the food by emojis? It's a shrimp cocktail. Taco Bell. Everyone loved it.